Hello, and welcome to the GBC Productions channel. This is episode 114. In this video, I'm going to take apart a test pattern generator. This is a VIZ model WR-515B. Let's start by taking a look around the outside. Starting over here, we've got some connectors on the bottom here. There's some banana plugs for vertical, horizontal, and ground. There's a video output. Over on this side we have RF out, and this knob is RF level, and if you pull the knob, it'll also do IF. The knob in the middle here will do color bars, raster, and various patterns. And these two knobs will adjust video and chroma. On the back there isn't much. There's the model number, and a big warning label. And then, of course, power input, power switch, and a fuse. I'm going to go get a little TV to hook up to it, and we'll go through the different settings on the test patterns. Okay, so I have it hooked up, and I'm going to start adjusting the knob all the way to the left, the video knob. That's all the way down, and we turn it up, and then when I pull the knob, it does that. Now I'll turn the chroma knob, and if I pull the knob, it does a little change. Now we'll take a look at the different patterns. The first setting says less burst. It's very hard to see on the video, but there are bars there. This is normal and with luma. Red raster, blue raster, green raster, color trio. One thing to note is these colors actually look better in person than on camera. This is gray quad. This is hatch dots. Dots. Super pulse. Little bend right there and there. One thing to note that I probably should have mentioned at the beginning is this is for NTSC. This knob isn't going to do anything because I'm not hooked up through RF. Now I'm going to get this TV out of the way, and we'll take a quick look inside. I've got the cover off. There's multiple layers of circuit boards in here. Here's a quick side view. I'm interested to see what those chips are. So what I have to do is take off those standoffs between the boards. I'll start by removing these screws on the bottom. So I took the screws out and all the boards came apart. So the dates that I'm seeing on these chips are 1978, 1979. This one's from 78, 79, 79, possibly 1980 is when this was made. Let's see if we can get a good view of the main knob in the middle. So it's a rotary switch with a momentary at the end of travel. And these have the push-pull switch as you pull the knob out or push it in. Now there isn't much to see on the underside of this circuit board. And that's what's inside this thing. Now I have to figure out how to put it back together. Don't forget to subscribe for more, mash that like button, and comment below. Until next time, this is Uncle D from GBC Productions, signing off.